Today we're sharing our top energy saving tips for the household to help you cut back on your usage. With a few minor changes, you can save money while reducing the effects of climate change and contributing to a more sustainable future. My name's Jude and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn to if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. From laundry to cooking and general living, it's easy for your bills to skyrocket. The experts at Green Logic say that the 5 big culprits using most of your energy are heating, appliances, water heating, lighting, and your television. We will tell you the surprising ways you can reduce that consumption. Don't forget to leave a comment if you can think of any more. For today's video to be possible, we're advertising a product from FLIR. We hope you find the recommendation helpful. Let's get started by looking at some of the best energy saving tips. First, stop doing half loads of laundry. How full is your washing machine when washing clothes? Having an empty laundry basket might be satisfying, but running your washing machine with a smaller load wastes energy and water, costing you more in the long run. It may sound obvious, but doing less frequent but larger loads of laundry could significantly affect your energy consumption. It's a slight change you can make on your energy bill without impacting your lifestyle. Of course, if you are in a family household, you will probably find it easy to create enough dirty laundry for a full wash load. Another simple energy saving tip is to check the temperature on your thermostat. Whether you have gas or electric heating, it's time to adjust your thermostat. According to the Energy Saving Trust, dialing the thermostat down by just 1 degree can save around 10% on your energy bills. The minimum comfortable temperature will vary from person to person, but we suggest setting it to around 20 degrees Celsius in the winter. That's not all though. The money-saving expert Martin Lewis suggests a smart thermostat to save money and lower energy consumption. Investing in a programmable thermostat will pay for itself in energy savings over time. The device allows you to automatically adjust the temperature in your home based on your schedule. In addition, some models pair with a smartphone app, so you can have more control even when you're not at home. At number 3 on our list, say goodbye to standby mode. This is your reminder to switch your devices and appliances off at the wall. It's one of the most accessible energy saving tips. Using standby mode as a default will consume and waste energy, leading to higher electricity bills. Most of the time, you can turn electrical appliances off at the socket without any issues. Alternatively, you can get smart power strips that automatically turn your electronics off. How handy! Start getting into this easy energy-saving habit and it will become second nature. Of course, there are some items you need to keep switched on, such as the fridge and the freezer. Another option is to invest in a draft excluder. If you tend to feel the cold when relaxing at home, you might find that this energy-saving tip helps you. Draft excluders are designed to stop cold air from entering your home through the gaps under your doors, keeping your room nice and cozy without relying on the heating. They come in various shapes, sizes and designs, so you can find one that fits your space perfectly. Much of the time, there are drafts around your home that you don't even know about. But is there a way to solve this? FLIR has sent us a free FLIR One Edge Pro to review for this video. While Expert Home Tips has received this product at no cost, the following review is an honest evaluation of its features and performance. Using the FLIR One Edge Pro, thermal imaging will identify drafty spots in your home. The camera wirelessly connects and clips onto your smartphone and integrates with the FLIR One app to easily create images and videos. Once you've found the drafty spots in your home, you can seal the air leaks around doors and windows with caulk or weather stripping. This bit of kit would be an excellent long-term investment if you're on a sustainability journey, undertaking a renovation project, or want to save on your energy bills. As well as checking for drafts, you can use it to detect problems with your insulation, electrical panel, and so much more. If you would like to learn more, we've left a link to the FLIR One Edge Pro in the description of this video. For our next tip, you should quit overfilling the kettle. If you're in the habit of filling the kettle to the brim before you boil it, you're making a real mistake. You might have heard this before, but boiling the kettle uses a lot of energy, more than you expect. One report from the Energy Savings Trust suggested that overfilling kettles wasted a massive £68 million across British households annually. With that in mind, only put in as much water as you need. If you're making 1 cup of tea, try filling your kettle with 1 mug full of water. When looking for smart ways to reduce electricity consumption, this approach will save energy and reduce your environmental impact. Alternatively, you could boil a whole kettle of water and keep the remaining hot water in a thermos flask to use throughout the day. Overfilling your kettle can also contribute to limescale build-up over time. To fix this, watch our video on how to clean a kettle next. Our 6th tip is to take short showers. Most of us know that where possible you should opt for showers over baths, but pay close attention to how long your showers are too. If you want to reduce your energy consumption and waste less water, this is one thing you can cut back on. For example, if you spend around 10 minutes in the shower, you could cut back and opt for 3 minutes. It might not be the most relaxing option, but this is an easy way to do your part. You can further reduce your bills by installing a low-flow shower head, which decreases the amount of water used without sacrificing water pressure. If you can't ditch a long shower, try multitasking and use the running water to make your shower shine. You can read easy ways to clean your shower on our website after this video. The link is below. For our next tip, it's time to turn off those lights. Many of us are guilty of leaving lights on when we leave a room, and sometimes forgetting to turn them off altogether. While it may take time to get used to this change, it will become an everyday habit when you have done it for a while. In addition to turning off lights when you're not using them, you can save energy by switching to LED light bulbs. According to Evergreen Energy, LED bulbs use up to 90% less energy than halogen bulbs. So while LED bulbs are slightly more expensive, it's well worth the swap in the long run. At number 8, consider fitting a smart meter. Installing a smart meter could be a good option if you want to make more informed decisions about your energy usage. These digital devices track your energy consumption, so you can easily see the habits driving up your bills. Tip number 9 is to put a lid on your saucepans while cooking. If you're using the hob, covering your pans is a simple fix that can speed up your cooking time and reduce the energy needed to cook your food. In addition, the cover will trap the heat in the pan, helping to keep it at the right temperature. This easy hack is worth remembering, whether you're simmering pasta, potatoes, or vegetables. At number 10 on our list, make sure your radiators aren't blocked. Central heating is one of the most significant energy spends. Radiators work with convection by heating the surrounding air. For that reason, you want to ensure there's a clear airflow around your radiator. If you've got furniture in front of the radiators, move a few inches away so that warm air can circulate efficiently. You should also avoid blocking the top of the radiator with things like laundry. It might be an efficient place to dry your clothes, but you could be reducing the heat in your home. Tip number 11 is to make sure you have radiator valves fitted. Fitting thermostatic valves, if your radiator doesn't have them already, can help you control the temperature of each radiator individually. That means you can heat each room to the desired temperature and turn the radiators off in rooms you don't use. The Green Age says that energy savings from using TRVs could be as high as 40%. Better yet, smart TRVs can be operated remotely using a smartphone app. As a result, you'll have greater control of your heating, allowing you to program the temperature of each room to suit your daily routines. Another energy-saving tip is to bleed your radiators. If you don't bleed your radiators, tiny air bubbles get pumped through the water and accumulate at the top. This means that only about 2/3 of your radiator can be filled with water, which will be much less efficient. To bleed a radiator, you need a radiator key or a screwdriver. Hold a cloth or a piece of paper towel in place and slowly open the valve. You should hear the air hissing out, or you'll start to see water droplets. When water starts coming out, close the valve tight. Once you've bled your radiators, hot water can circulate more freely. For our final tip, it's worth investing in your appliances. It's easy to settle for cheaper appliances when you're feeling the pinch. But did you know this could cost you more money in the long run? If you can upgrade, look for appliances with an energy efficient rating, such as the Energy Star certification. If you're using older models, the upfront cost to replace them will be well worth the energy savings you'll see over the years. However, it doesn't have to be expensive, especially if you can shop for a good deal. Not sure where to start? EDF has a guide to energy efficient appliances for the home that breaks down what you should look for. We'll leave a link in the description of this video. Those are all of our energy saving tips to help you reduce your bills. We hope you found them helpful. If you're still here, let us know which of our tips you will implement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. To read more ways to save energy, head to our website experthometips.com. We've left a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.